Hi friends, myself Soham Ramnani.
And myself Roma Ramnani.
Welcome to Roma Arts.
Discover the talent in you. Hi friends, welcome to Roma Arts, and I, Roma Ramnani, am going to teach you the basic of calligraphy. The material required is white paper, scale, pencil, eraser, and we'll start drawing. For practicing, you can use anything you need. Yeah, you can even use a copy with lines, or you can draw these lines. You need I have drawn 5 by 1 centimeter blocks. So with the help of those blocks, we'll write all the alphabets. This is 5 centimeter and this thickness is 1 centimeter. So we will consider for A we will consider 3 blocks, and we leave the first block, and 1, 2 and 3 will be for A, and this will be the gap, and 1, 2, 3 will be for B, 1, 2, 3 will be for C, and 1, 2, 3 will be for D. So the cross given block will be empty. So we'll rub this 1, 2, 3 in the first block, and first we'll write A. So if you see, my A is near about finished. A, and for B we'll draw the center and curve here, a curve here, a curve here, and also here for B, and the center of this so my B part has finished. So this will be left out. Now for C, you have to now for D, this cross will be left out. So we have finished with A, B, C and D.